Hey y'all, this is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I've got yet another unbagging from Amazon for canvases under $10. So I hope everybody's having a great day. And let me know in the comments if y'all are enjoying these little videos. I'd be very happy to know. Because if not, then there's no point in me doing these. But if y'all enjoy them, I'd really like to know. So, again, got this from Amazon. This canvas was $5.99, y'all. $5.99. Okay. Had to pause and cough. Sorry. So, $5.99 for this canvas. It is a 30 by 40. So, let's get into this and see what did I get this time. If I can get it open. Alright. It is another poured glue. So I'm going to roll it back, flatten it out a little. Alright, y'all. This is what I got. Very, very colorful. Colorful unicorn. I thought my granddaughters would love this one. When I was a kid, up until I'd say probably in my early teens, 11, 12, 13, I used to collect everything unicorn. I had so many unicorns. Glass ones, just all kinds of unicorns. And then when I hit the boy stage, I got rid of all of them. But now I wish I'd kept everything to give to my granddaughters. My daughter, she's not really into unicorns, but my granddaughters are. So, anyway, you get a regular toolkit, which is a green boat, square wax, and a pink pen. And again, we get the drills with the gray strip. Alright. So, it says we've got 24 colors. And it looks like they are all the colors have the alphabet, and on the schematics is where we're going to find the DMC numbers. And yep, DMC number is only on the schematics, which is the top left, bottom right. Alright, so let's look at these colors real quick. We got pinks. This is probably going to have every color of the rainbow. Yellows, green, purples. Purple is my favorite color, and I love 550. That is probably my favorite DMC purple is 550. But aren't those pretty? Pretty, pretty, pretty. Alright, so there's the drills. And let's see. Very sticky. And let's go down and look at the drill field. Now, I can already tell that it's going to be very confetti heavy, and that's okay. I mean, every once in a while, I don't mind confetti, especially in these smaller canvases. You're going to find a lot of confetti in the smaller ones, so I don't mind it. It's not my favorite, but then again, I don't want to have to color block all the time either, because then that gets boring. So, but yeah, I'm liking the fact that they have got the lighter letters on the darker colors and the darker letters on the light colors. That does make a big, huge difference. So, yeah. I think it looks pretty good. What do y'all think? Again, this was $5.99. And it's a 30 by 40. So what do y'all think? Y'all like it? Have y'all done this one? I know my granddaughters are going to love it. They really will. Alright, y'all. So, this is another short video. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. And until my next one, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.